Webflow libraries refer to reusable components or collections of assets that you can save and reuse across multiple projects. Here's how to use Webflow libraries effectively. Create or import libraries. In Webflow, you can create libraries by saving elements or sections as symbols. These symbols can include anything from navigation bars to complex layouts. You can also import and use libraries created by other designers or from Webflow's template marketplace. Edit and customize. Once added to your project, libraries can be customized globally or individually. Changes made to a symbol or style within the library will update all instances across your site, ensuring consistency. Reuse across projects. Libraries are particularly useful for maintaining brand consistency across multiple websites or pages within the same project. Any updates made to a library item will propagate throughout all instances where it's used. Manage versions. Webflow allows you to manage library versions, enabling you to revert to previous iterations if needed and ensuring that changes are tracked and documented. Collaboration. Libraries facilitate collaboration by allowing teams to work simultaneously on different parts of a project while maintaining a unified design system.